What's up, everybody? JJ3 here. Just got this package in the mail. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Sorry. You know what this is? This is my book. Man, this is just crazy. Just letting you guys know, I'm 52 years old, basically starting my life over, doing things I never thought I'd do. Going back to the music. And this book, it's very music oriented. Music is my passion. I love it. Let's rip this open, see what this bad boy looks like. I know some of you guys already got them. This is mine right here. Wow, dude. I love it. I love it. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Guys, don't mind, but I gotta put my glasses on so I can see all this beautiful. The back. Oh man. We got the nice description on the back. Camera's following me around. The front cover, look at that. Sorry about the glare. Man, this is just amazing. I'm gonna turn this light off so we don't get the glare anymore. Oh, come back this way. Camera was following me. Sorry, guys. There we go. I mean, it's not as bright in here now because I turned that light off. Wow. This is just amazing. I love it. Colorful pictures. I gotta turn this back on. Look at this. First page. Right there. I'll sign it for you guys. This is awesome, dude. Oh man. Look at this right here. Man, look at that guy. That's a handsome guy. Look at that hat. Wow. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Bright, colorful. The story is amazing. JJ discovers the golden microphone. It's one of my favorite. I love the picture with the microphone. That one right here, and then when he starts singing, the close-up, all the colors. The camera's not doing it justice, but that's beautiful. That's just amazing. This is awesome, guys. All the hard work and the heart, the emotion that I put into this, and then seeing it printed is just amazing. To have it in hand. The colors, it's full color, I mean, wow. Look at this. And then the story, it's just so touching. And in the end, it's not about the microphone, it's about the love of music and JJ sharing it with everybody. This is just awesome. I want to thank you guys that have supported me already and that are about to support me in this project and in all my projects. You can get a copy yourself down below. The link will be in the description. I'll put it in a comment down below. It's everywhere, but thank you so much for supporting me. This is freaking amazing. This is awesome. I love it. You can obviously get it on Amazon. You can read it for free with Kindle Unlimited. You can get the ebook on Kindle. I'll have the links down below, and I'm gonna have it at my in my Etsy store. I'll be selling autograph copies. So thank you so much for supporting me. And also at the Etsy store, you can download the music that is available. You know, you can get all my music that's released now on Spotify, but all the streaming services, Apple Music. I got new stuff I'm working on. I'm so excited to get it out there. It's a whole new journey for me, and I thank you guys for joining me on this journey. And if any of you guys, you know, or girls, women, you know, are going through stuff, you know, you've lived your life and things have changed, I'm just letting you know it's not too late. You can start over. It's possible. You can do this. You can pick up a microphone. You can write a book. You can get on YouTube and make videos. You can do it. It doesn't matter. I mean, how old you are, where you're at. Just do what you're passionate about. Be happy. That's my whole goal right now. My goal is to be happy in life. Of course, take care of my kids. But I want to be happy, and I want to touch people's lives. And I want to touch kids' lives with this book. And your lives through my music. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. I'm out. See ya.